Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another pharmacy school related video today. Today is my first day of online classes again because we're still quote unquote in quarantine. So I will be doing my last semester of classes for pharmacy school all online. Once again, this is actually our third semester online, so needless to say, I am definitely getting a little tired of it, but I have planned and I am ready for the day. So if you just kind of want to see how this day goes, it's probably going to be really boring, but if you just want to know what a day in the life of a pharmacy student online is like, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Buttons down below, just go ahead and click it, you want to, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gillyy. Those are perfect places to find out what actually happens throughout school, because that's where I rant the most. But yeah, let's just jump into today's video, y'all. So I already have like some breakfast going, as you guys saw in like the intro and whatnot. Just always want to start the first day of school out with like some nice breakfast. So I just have some eggs and some turkey bacon and avocado toast that I just made myself. And on the avocado toast, I put the Trader Joe's everything but sesame seed bagel whatever thing. I love it on the avocado toast. It's definitely a win. And of course I have my gigantic like mug, which is basically the size of my head, of coffee, of course. My first class of the day is going to be U.S. health policy. Should be starting in about like 5-ish minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to find the Zoom link for the day, of course. Okay, so Zoom link has been acquired. I'm just going to like eat my breakfast while attending class because this class is at 8:30 in the morning. And there's no way I was waking up earlier to like make it to class. But I do want to show you guys my shirt. I bought this shirt specifically for today. It says mindset over everything. So we're just going to be going in the new year with a nice, clear, positive mindset. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just check back in with you guys after my class is over because I probably can't record this part. All right, guys, so just checking back in with y'all. So I've already had my first class of the day. It's currently 12:16 p.m. That class was like 2 hours long, and my God, it was like quite the day. Literally, this girl, like our professor required for us to turn on our camera. People were looking real rough. This girl definitely just dead ass fell asleep in her bed. Like she was just in bed and was asleep. But that's kind of what happens when you ask people to turn on their cameras at 8:30 in the morning. But since that time, I have gone to run a couple errands for the student organizations that I am a part of, because I'm like the treasurer for 2 student orgs. So I had to go do some banking things today, go to the bank, get checks, all this good stuff. So I'm finally back. I also went to the liquor store because this is gonna be a rough semester, and I definitely cannot begin this semester without some form of like alcohol. I only have like gin and tequila right now, so I was like, I need wine because that's a calmer alcohol for me. Not promoting drinking, but like I just need to have alcohol whenever the semester starts. So I just went and got a couple bottles of wine from the wine store. I am gonna make myself some lunch, but it's just gonna be a really light lunch. I'm just gonna be making an acai bowl, so you guys can just watch me make my bowl using my new Ninja blender that I just bought yesterday. So I've got this, like this is specifically for like acai bowls and stuff. So I'm really excited because it has like two turners or whatever. So this is super, super exciting. Yeah, so like let's get started. I hope you guys are having a good back to school as well. If you're watching this and you're in school, hope things are going really well for you. Okay, so for our acai bowl, I literally have never made an acai bowl before, so this is going to be really interesting. I did buy these acai like packets from Trader Joe's just trying to read the instructions. All right, so still don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna like put this in the blender and hope everything goes well. Like, I don't know. Okay, so this is what the little packets look like. They do say to run them under warm water for a little bit. Okay, so while the water is running, I'm just gonna go ahead and put like some frozen mango pieces into my blender as well. Just like a couple, and I'm gonna put some yogurt in here. I absolutely just love mango. This is just some Greek yogurt with honey from Trader Joe's. I like the with honey ones because then I don't have to like use any other sweetener in my like smoothie or bowl. So I don't know how to measure this. I don't know, I just put like a glop or 2 glops in here. I'm also gonna put some orange juice just to have a little bit of liquid. You don't want to put too much orange juice, just like teensy bit like this, so that it's still pretty thick. I did forget to buy granola to put in this. So slow. Yeah, I literally don't think I have granola, so that's sad. Now time to open up this acai packet. Okay, so this is what our like bowl is looking like. Gonna put the top on and hopefully we get something good. I don't know. Okay, so my acai bowl turned out a little bit more liquid than I would have liked. So I am honestly just going to drink this as a smoothie. I'm just gonna grab a straw. Yeah, so I'm just gonna grab a straw and just have this as a smoothie because I'm really not in the mood to fix this. Additionally, I did get my package that I sent myself because for Christmas my mom got me a Keurig, but it's like the 2-sided Keurig with like a pot and like the individual. And then I was like, why didn't you ship this to me? Because now I have to ship it back to myself. So finally, USPS decided to bring my box today. So I guess you guys can unbox that with me. This is yummy. So let me just put some of these ingredients away and then we'll unbox my coffee maker. Wow, this is so much bigger than my old coffee maker. Gonna have to try to make room for this. How exciting! This is so cute. Love it. This is funny because I also don't have any pods at the moment for this, so I probably should go buy some pods. And then I also I sent myself some of this coffee. This is like, it's not even coffee, it's espresso coffee, and this is like my favorite coffee. I know people will say Cafe Bustelo is better. No, Pilon is where to go. Like, this is it. I absolutely love this coffee. It's like fantastic. So yeah, let me just finish setting up my Keurig and then I'll show you guys like where I put it. This is kind of what the coffee maker looks like. So you have a pot and you can do individual brews, which is awesome because sometimes I just need a whole pot of coffee for myself. And then other times I, could use with just a little single cup, just a little something to get me along the way. I think I might even try to get the like Keurig self, like make your own cups, because I don't want to like, contribute to wasting plastic and whatnot. But yeah, that is what our Keurig is looking like. Fancy, fancy. Okay, y'all, so the day is finally over. Classes are done. At some point of the day, I was actually in 2 different Zoom classes because I'm the TA for one of the P1 courses, and I had like a class like at the same time, but like we needed to do an introduction. Like I needed to introduce myself to the class that I was gonna be their TA, so that happened. Honestly, I'm just thoroughly exhausted. My to-do list just kind of grew exponentially. And I really got to just light a fire under my behind and get started on a lot of things. So I just like made some tea, and I'm just gonna like kind of start doing what I need to do. I'm gonna listen to some Lana Del Rey because that's my girl. When I'm studying, if I don't listen to Lana, or like if I'm doing work or writing essays, like Lana gets me through everything. Like she is literally my pharmacy school. Like if I make it through pharmacy school, it's gonna be because of Lana Del Rey. And also she's coming out with an album like March 19th, and I literally was like, perfect, and that's probably gonna be right around the time where I'm ready to just give up on this whole semester and whatnot. Sorry, that has someone's address on it. Do you want you guys to see that? So yeah, I'm pooped, guys. Like I had my project class, and I don't know if you guys' pharmacy school does this, but my pharmacy school, we have to do like a PharmD project. And basically I haven't touched my project since the summer when I had the first project development course. And I really just let things go in the fall because I was so exhausted and I was just tired of being in school. And now all of a sudden I have to pick it up. However, my research is with the VA, and I also never turned in my VA paperwork. And so like now they want us to talk about our data collection, but guess who hasn't collected any data because they still don't have access to the VA? Because like I just submitted my VA stuff last week, and if you guys know anything about the VA literally moves like molasses. So essentially I'm not really sure what's going to happen. I'm about to email the coordinator now to ask her if she even got my application. Just so many things. But honestly, guys, yeah, that's kind of what a full day of doing Zoom pharmacy school is like. Like I said, it's incredibly boring. It's monotonous. My butt hurts. I get cold because my apartment is all brick, as you can see. And some idiot put my like heater vents in the ceiling instead of the floor, or like lower to the ground. It's just like, there's just a lot of moving pieces. And right now it's 4:32. I'm just gonna like keep trying to do some work, hustle through till the end, maybe like 6:30. Then I'm gonna like meal prep for the week, and you know, just keep chugging along for the rest of the night. Hopefully I'll get to bed at a decent time, but I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here because there's nothing else significant that I'm gonna do for the day. I'm really just gonna keep trying to cross things out from my to-do list. And like I mentioned, if you guys haven't seen my like get organized for school, like the beginning of school video, please go ahead and check that out. I think that'll really help you kind of get started with your professional school semester as well. But as usual, like if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed suffering throughout the day with me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy. And I'm just gonna be going now to enjoy Lana, have my tea, and write things.